guys. I know I have not seen you in a while. I just woke up from a nap. What have I done since I got back from Puerto Rico? Because I think that was the last time y'all saw me. I went to Chicago. I vlogged in Chicago, but that vlog was kind of boring. I saw my dad, so that was exciting. But really, all we did was eat a lot and go to the store a lot. Well, that was all I got in the vlog anyway. So yeah, it would have made sense to vlog that because I was only in Chicago for a couple days and I was more so trying to spend time with my dad and I wasn't really focused on the vlog. I did have some bomb ass pizza though. I think I'll insert the pizza here. So yeah, had some food in Chicago. Oh, we went to Papa Do's too, but I mean you can go to Papa Do's anywhere. The really exciting thing was the deep dish pizza. But yeah, so went to Chicago, came back, and then I've just been at home. Like, well, not just sitting in my house since June, because it is now July 7th. Today is July 7th. Anyway, yeah. So now I'm up and I want some banana pudding. I don't know where to buy banana pudding. I'm certain that here in Atlanta, there are a bunch of places you can buy banana pudding, but I don't want to look for it, so I'm going to make banana pudding. So I want to go to the store and buy ingredients for banana pudding, and you guys are going to come with me. I'm low-key whispering at a little bit because I did not tell my mom I'm going to make banana pudding, and I know she loves banana pudding. And the last time banana pudding was in this house, it was when I was working at this call center company. This was like years ago. Like we literally just haven't had any banana pudding. Because we be eating like cheesecake and sweet potato pie and stuff like that. I don't know. Like we like banana pudding. We just don't be having it as often. By the way, this is not how I sleep. I don't sleep with my head wrapped like this and my edges out. I had my hair like this for the day. And when I got home, I was like, eh. So I just went to sleep like this. And now my edges are messed up again. I'm not going to fix them because for what? I mean, the day is over. I'm not about to do nothing of import. So yeah, about to pour out this slushy, put on some clothes, and go to the store. What else was I about to say? Oh yeah, excuse my eyebrows. I know they look a mess. Y'all ain't gotta tell me. I'm gonna go get my eyebrows done probably sometime this weekend, whenever I feel like it. I can't go right now because what time is it right now? Hold up. It's 7:34. Look at Jessie. Look at her. Can you even see her? I don't think it's focusing on her. Well, I use the Toy Story background on my watch. I'm very proud of that. So yeah. Anyway. Okay, guys. I just pulled up on the grocery store. I came to Food Depot because they're the only grocery store that I know of that sells ripe bananas. All the other grocery stores where I live sell their bananas like still green or just yellow. Like you gotta wait a few days before you can eat these, and I want to eat these today. So yeah. Also, I know you're probably like, I thought you said you were gonna change. I did. I went from one black shirt to a plain black shirt and pants. So yes, I did change. You're welcome that I put on pants, by the way, because I don't do that for just anybody. So you should feel special. Look at you, earning pants and whatnot. Okay, let's go inside the store. Okay, so what the hell? I ain't never came into Food Depot and caught them with no green ass bananas before. The bananas is always ripe. And now I need ripe bananas and they green. I just said that the reason I came here was for ripe bananas. and they have none. So I have to get everything else, and then so yeah, guess I'm going to Kroger, but I may as well just get everything else here since I'm already here, and I'll just get the bananas from Kroger. This is some bullshit. As yellow bananas. They may not be as yellow as I would like, but they yellow enough that I'm about to make this pudding tonight and eat them. Look at God, always blessing me. Goodness, dang. Yes. Bananas. I got bananas. Yay. Okay. Now we need to find... Where is... Here we go. We gotta get some lemon and some butter flavoring. Ooh. Damn it. I didn't get no basket, so I wouldn't be tempted to get anything else, but maybe I didn't think this all the way through. Damn, these little ass bottles is $3 a piece. Somebody is lying. I know for a fact this ain't $3. Are you serious? And it's the Kroger brand. Where's the good brand at? If I'm gonna pay $3, I'm gonna pay $3 for something good. Also, they don't have butter. They don't have butter flavoring. Maybe I'm looking in the wrong spot, because something ain't right about this. They deadass don't have butter extract. Let me see. Maybe down yonder. It smells so good over here. They don't have it. I mean, it's not absolutely necessary because I'm putting a whole stick of butter in there, but also I would really like to have it. Okay, got our bananas, got our lemon extract, no butter extract sadly, but it's okay because we about to go make some banana pudding. But one thing I hadn't considered until just now is I'm still gonna have to wait for it to cool off. Like, I'm gonna have to wait for it to get cold. That's gonna be maddening. So we'll see. So just pulled up at my house. There are really not any street lights in my neighborhood, so we're just using the car lights. That's why you cannot see me. I'm about to put the cookies and the bananas in my purse so that my mom doesn't see what I bought, because I feel like the other ingredients wouldn't tip her off. She would probably just think I'm making a cake, because it's just like butter, milk, egg, sugar, vanilla, like random like ingredients. But the bananas, the vanilla wafers, and the Pepperidge Farm cookies, I feel like would tip her off. And this is my first time actually making a banana pudding, which is why I don't want to tell her that I'm making a banana pudding also, because I feel like she's just gonna talk shit. But yeah, and I got the Pepperidge Farm Chessman cookies because I've seen people use it on the internet, but I've never tasted it with those in there, and those are some of my favorite cookies. So I'm hoping this is about to be good, but I'm about to hide the bananas and the cookies in my purse. Yeah, so that we don't give anything away. See you in the house. Okay, apparently it was unnecessary to hide them because she was upstairs anyway. I just changed back into my night clothes that I had on because I thought I was going to sleep, but then I woke back up. Change back into those. Let's get started. Okay, the banana pudding is out of the oven. But now I'm waiting on it to get cold, so it's in the refrigerator. And I have been harassing it, like literally just going and opening the refrigerator, testing it out, seeing that it's still warm, and closing the refrigerator and opening it again and testing it out and seeing that it's still warm. Then opening the refrigerator. Wait, no, then closing the refrigerator. Either way, you get the point. Like, I can't wait. It smells so good. My house smells so good right now. Like, I'm so excited. I tasted it like after I dig the spoon around to get the pudding in the crevices to make sure it got all in between everything. I tasted it. So good. So good. So yeah, now I'm just waiting and sad, but you guys will see it when I am eating it. Also, I didn't make the meringue stuff to put on top of mine because I don't like that. So like, if you see it and you like, why you didn't put that meringue, like, why is there no thick coating of white stuff on top? Because I don't like it, that's why. So it ain't go in there, because it's my pudding. It's been an hour and a half, still not cold yet. I'm getting pissed off. It's now, what time is it? It's 1:09 a.m. Still not cold. Honestly, I'm not about to put up with this shit. I'm just about to go get some. Last time I tested it, it wasn't hot anymore. It was warm. I feel like it should be cool now. Even if it's not, it's still late as hell. So I'm only eating a little bit anyway. I just want to taste it. That's it. Like, y'all know I have a problem. And I just want to taste it. So that's what I'm about to go do. Because I'm tired of waiting. So. Okay. I'm about to try it. Okay, y'all. So it's actually good. So I'm happy. Because I told you I never made it before. Yeah. It's warm still, but it still tastes good. So I'm excited because I know when I finally get it cold, it's about to be busting. Yep. Yep. Also, I'm gonna link the video. Oh shit, I'm about to drop the plate. I'm gonna link the video in the description that I got the recipe from, because this is not my recipe. This video also was not intended to be a tutorial of any kind. I was just showing y'all me making it. I was just showing y'all me making it. So, but there's a whole tutorial. This woman, I cannot remember her name right now. It's Mo something, but I'm gonna put it in the description. She's hilarious too. It's her recipe, and it's good. So yeah. I wish her mom was awake right now so she could get some, but her fault. She shouldn't have went to bed early. And she could have some banana pudding tonight. But it's whatever. She can get some tomorrow. Anyway, also I'm going to go ahead and end this vlog here so I can eat my banana pudding in peace and watch my show. You guys have a good night. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I will see you in my next video. Bye.